Now that we got the video started, I bet she stops piping. This hive has 1, 2, 3, at least 4 queens in it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, excuse me, 5 that have hatched. One on the other side that has not hatched. One right there that has not hatched. And if you've watched my other video about how to catch queens and make splits, when you run into something like this is an out yard that I haven't been to in 2 weeks. I was told about a week and a half ago I had swarming activity. Well, I think I just found it. Hope the mic picked that up. Don't know where she went. Smoker's killing me though. Whew. And they're still working on that one right there, trying to open it. There she is. See if she goes up there and messes with it. Nope. Couldn't have been on a light frame either. It's got honey in it too. Where'd she go? There she is. Just a quick tip. You can catch queens. I'm going to go through the hive and see how many I can catch. I know I've at least got 2. This one and that one over there. You've heard her piping, so she's piping to let the other ones know where she's at. Pull back a little bit so it'll focus. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and share the videos. Hit that bell and get a notification. Have a great day. Mine just got better. Just a little bonus video. There would be queen number 4. And I've still got 2 that haven't hatched. And I've got 1 more frame to go through. And guess what we found lurking up in the honey super? Queen number 5 we were looking for. The undrawn out honey super, I should say.